Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Science Guru. I hope you have done the experiments which I have posted last week. Today also we are going to do two simple experiments. So if you haven't subscribed my channel Science Guru, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you will get the notifications. Name of the first experiment is water in plastic bag. Things needed to do this experiment: a ziplock, water, pencils or pens and a plate. Here I have taken a small ziplock, two pens, some water and a plate. Open the ziplock, pour water into it. Make sure that the ziplock doesn't have any leakage. Don't take too much of water. You can see the water level which I have taken. And now close the ziplock. I have taken two pens here, but I strongly recommend you to use pencils, sharpened pencils instead of pen, and that will give you accurate result. I'm going to pierce the ziplock using the pen. I have pierced the ziplock and we can see that not even a single drop of water is leaking. I'm going to do the same with the other pen. Observe carefully. In this case also, we can see that water is not leaking. You can watch it closely that water is not leaking. You can use more pencils or pen. And why this happens? Let us discuss. The plastic bag is made up of long chains of molecules called polymers. This makes a plastic bag stretchy. When the sharpened pencil or pen pierces through the bag, these long chains of molecules seal around the pencils within seconds, thereby preventing a leak. So we are moving to the second experiment, which is related to atmospheric pressure. Things needed: a glass, water, a plate, some color, a candle and a matchbox. I am pouring some water to the plate where I have kept a candle upright. Now I am going to add some drops of color into the water just to see the movement of water. As water is colorless, we have to add some color to observe it carefully. I recommend you to do in another way. You can use colored water instead of pouring water first and giving it color. You can use colored water in the first stage itself, and that would be better. Now I am mixing the color into the water. Now the water has become blue color. Now I'm going to light the candle. Now I'm going to cover the candle using the glass. Observe carefully. Observe the water. Observe the flame. Slowly the flame went off and slowly the water rises its level inside the glass. So why this happens? Let us check. The flame uses up the oxygen in the cup or the glass, and this creates low pressure. Atmospheric pressure then tries to force its way in. Because the water at the base of the cup has created an airtight seal, the pressure difference between the inside and outside of the cup causes the water to raise until pressure inside the cup is equal to the pressure outside. I hope you will do these two simple experiments. Thanks for watching. I will be back with more simple experiments.